Hello recommenders, here is Romeo from recommendationbook.com, and today I'm gonna make the review of the Victorinox Classic SD. But before talking about the item of the review, let me talk about recommendationbook.com. What is the recommendationbook.com? The recommendationbook.com it's a statistical social network to recommend stuff. So basically, you create your recommendation book totally free. People subscribe to your recommendation book, and they're gonna get your recommendations on their recommendation book. So subscribe there, recommendationbook.com, statistical social network you're gonna like. Now let's go to the review of the Victorinox Classic SD. This is the package where it came. Here, it came with the manual, Victorinox. It's a authentic Victorinox. Here show the uses for the tools, and it came also with the sleeve to store the blade, like so. Now, initial considerations. Why I wanted to buy this Swiss Army knife? I wanted to buy this multi-function knife to put in the kitchen, and I simple was in love with the design. Now, specifications. This here is the Victorinox Classic SD Camouflage. Net weight is 0.74 ounces, almost 21 grams. Scale material is ABS cylinder. The size is 2.28 inches, almost 5.8 centimeters. The blade size is 1.57 inches, almost 4 centimeters. Now the tools of this sack. Small blade, Let me demo the small blade for you. It came very sharp, the blade. I don't remember if I touched on the Lansky turn box, but it came very sharp. As you can see, takes a very keen edge. Now the scissors, it has scissors too, very good scissors. Let me demo the scissors for you. It makes a very clean cut, very nice scissors. It has a nail file. With the screwdriver, 2.5 millimeter screwdriver. It has a key ring to put in the keychain. It has tweezers and toothpick. Now, experience with this Swiss Army knife. It's very lightweight. It's lightweight enough to put in the kitchen. It's the first thing I like about the Swiss Army knife. Because sometimes, you get a tool like the Gerber dime. I have here the Gerber dime. It's too heavy to put in the kitchen. It's a keychain multi-tool, but it's too heavy. The Victorinox Classic SD is lightweight enough, is 0.74 ounces, almost 21 grams. So it's lightweight enough to put in the kitchen. It has amazing fit and finish for the price. Amazing fit and finish. The blade came sharp. The scissors are very sharp and good and cut clean. And one of the things I like the most about this Victorinox is that they sell replacements for the spring of the scissors and replacement for the toothpick and the tweezers. Now the spring of the scissors here, you can buy 6 springs for $1.50, price of Knife Center. You can buy 6 toothpicks for $2 on Knife Center, and you can buy 6 tweezers for $4.50 on Knife Center. So they did not need it to sell replacement spring, tweezers and toothpick, but they were integral to do so instead of making buy another sack and fill the landfill with more trash. Very integral from Victorinox to sell you replacements, because they could make you buy everything again, but they sell replacements for the spring of the scissors, and I like that. The key ring is very strong, again, in the Victorinox Gerber dime, the key ring is very weak. It seems it's going to break. When I push the Gerber dime on my kitchen, I didn't push the key ring through here. I pushed through here in the bottle opener because I was afraid it's gonna break. Now here in the Victorinox Classic SD, the key ring here is very strong. It's the best quality key ring you can get. They did not need it. They did not need it to do that, So it's very good that they included a very strong, very good key ring. Now this piece here give me the impression that Victorinox has a great sense of integrity, because it has a very low price but a great quality. You would be surprised by the quality of this product. Now incidents. There were no incidents where it failed so far. Now, final considerations. This is here you can find the Victorinox Classic SD for around $11 on Amazon on the official store of Victorinox, price of 13 April 2016. Links to buy are inside the first link in the description of this video. Now the question, should you buy this multi-tool? Definitely. You definitely should buy this multi-tool, and I definitely will buy other Victorinox products. If I was Swiss, I would be proud of Victorinox. For me, Victorinox is synonymous of quality. So this is it for the review of the Victorinox Classic SD. Visit recommendationbook.com where you can recommend this product and many other stuff. And thanks for watching.